Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, April the 17th. Nothing happened yesterday. Zero, zip, nada, none. S&P was up 1 point, Dow futures down 6 points, NASDAQ down 19 points, and we saw the markets trade sideways essentially at the end of the session. Let's start over. I had these in the wrong order. Take two. Three, two, one. Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, April the 17th. Markets did nothing yesterday. Well, actually, an inside day, so we had lower highs and higher lows, unchanged at the end of the session. S&P was up 1 point at 2101. The Dow futures were down up 19 at 18,041. And the NASDAQ futures were down 6 at 44.15. So consolidation day after making some new relative highs this week, but not busting up and making new all-time highs in the broad market anyways. The dollar gave back a bunch of points, down 91 at 97.61, had a high of the session of 98.92, just not making new highs in this dollar. So we're seeing a bottoming base in the euro once again, the euro currency, up 113 yesterday at 108.06. Bonds were steady, 164.04. Crude oil was up 42 cents at 58.11, so some new highs there, new 2015 highs in crude, and gold was down $3 at 11.98. So, after the mixed action, consolidation day, taking a break, what's going on this morning ahead of the cash stock market? Well, we're down overnight. We've got some weakness in Asia with the Chinese market. We've got some weakness in the German market overnight. So with the S&P's down 13 points at 2087.5, back below the 2100 level. Dow futures down 118 at 17,913, but off their lows. And the NASDAQ's down 38 points at 4378.5. So we were down about 1% in the evening session, and now we're bouncing back a little bit. Currencies are going nowhere, down 4 in the dollar index, 97.57. And down 3 in the euro currency at 108.03. Bond market's up 15, seeing a little bit of flight to quality with the downward movement in the stock indexes, 164.19, putting pressure on the rates, 254 in the 30-year and 186 in the 10-year note. Crude oil's off 35 cents, 57.75, and gold's up $6, looking to finish above $1,200 an ounce at 12.04. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opened, we're down overnight. We had been down 1% coming off those lows. We're down 13 in the E-mini S&P, down 118 in the Dow, and down 38 in the NASDAQ futures. I will see you early Monday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.